If I take the second question first, of course, deliberate attacks against any religious, ethnic, or linguistic minority constitutes a crime against humanity, or the crime against humanity of persecution that has been outlawed by the Rome Statute and is subject to ICC jurisdiction, wherein the preconditions apply. There is also a reminder of the essential need to refer these cases, as I mentioned before, these situations to the ICC, and the office firmly believes it in respect of Syria and Iraq. The UN system has been working together to enhance UN work on the protection of minorities and racial discrimination. We have the standards, but too little has been done to implement them. With this in mind, we've set up a UN network on racial discrimination and developed a new Secretary General's guidance to make sure that minority rights and racial discrimination receive the attention they deserve throughout the UN system, both in headquarters and in the field. The guidance note clearly calls on us to focus on those minorities whose rights are particularly at risk, and this, as we all know, is today often religious minorities. We need more robust training, monitoring, technical assistance, and awareness raising to make sure that minority rights, ranging from the right to participate in decision-making to non-discrimination, are treated as a priority human rights, both in and outside conflict contexts. We also need to make sure that young representatives of religious and other minorities have the tools and knowledge to claim their rights, and this is the goal of the fellowship program that my office offers for minority rights activists. I should also perhaps draw your attention, if you haven't seen it, to a letter that was sent to Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi by 126 religious scholars in Islamic jurisprudence a few weeks ago, in which in paragraph 11, this issue of the treatment by ISIL of religious minorities is dealt with quite explicitly, and my office has copies of this letter should you so want it.